I jacked the van up and secured it on an axle stand, and then I put a left hand lock on the steering to give me more access to the trackway end. I'd already given the trackway end a good squirt with some releasing oil, so then I unloosened the big nut on the top. And then I got my ball joint splitter in between the trackway end and the hub, belt it in, and just get a little tap on the top. I think I was quite lucky in how easy that come out. To remove the trackway end, I had to back the locking nut off. So I got some Stilsons on the bar and tried to back the locking nut off, but it just weren't budging. So as normal with these, I had to get a bit of heat on it. It might have made it a bit easier if I had backed the locking nut off while it was still in the hub. But we got there in the end, managed to unscrew it. Once I got the old trackway end off, I give the threads a quick clean with a wire brush and then put some copper grease on. Once I get it a good coat of copper grease, I screwed the new trackway end on to roughly where it were. Obviously it's going to have to be tracked up. And then I shoved it back into the steering arm on the hub and tightened it down. The ball in the trackway end started to spin, so I had to put an Allen key in the top of the threads and then tighten it up with a spanner. Once that was tight, I nipped the locking nut back up on the steering arm, put the wheel back on, and then took it down to have it all tracked up. I'd love to be able to do it myself, but I ain't got a tracking machine. So, if you enjoyed that one, if you have, like, subscribe, do all the other nice things, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.